Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically purchase boats and how you can spawn it on Fish. So go to the shipwright person. There are a few, not on every island, but there is a few. So actually I think there is on every island. I'm not sure, I haven't been to every island there is. Select talk and select I like to see my ships. You're going to view the ships that you have. You can even like purchase the ones here. I'm not able to buy this because you'll need to do the quest. So I'll just spawn my jet ski because that's the only boat that I have. I'll spawn it. That's like the best one, but you'll need to be at least level 50 if I'm not mistaken. And you're just going to press spawn, and voila, that is it. You're just going to drive around your boat on Fish and go to islands, as you can see. Which one is this one? Oh, Statue of Sovereignty. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!